Welcome back to Shop Night.
Here's our project we've been working on for some extra fun money. We're going to be using the profit from these cabins to go to Sand Hollow and see Matt's off-road recovery at the record games.
Let's go check the cabin out.
Come on in. All right, so what we have here is 4 sets of bunk beds. This cabin is going to be going to a church camp in Kalispell, and they'll be needing these for all of their little campers that will be there. And you're going to be making 4 of these cabins. 2 of them are completed and ready to ship, and they'll be going out within the next week or so.
Just to let you know a little bit about the cabin, it's 1 or 2 by 6 roof decking, tongue and groove. We have the bunk beds. We make a variety of bunk beds. We get bunk beds, you got twin beds and double beds. The flooring in the cabin is 1.5 by 3 inch tongue and groove flooring. Everything is log load on the walls. There's floor varnish on the floors, and the furniture and everything is built for Prairie Craft Specialties. All right, these cabins are 16 foot long, 14 foot wide, with a 6-foot deck on the front of them. Now they're D-logs, 3.5 by 5.5 inch D-logs. They have double pane insulated windows in them and a double pane insulated window and door in the front.
And then for the roof, we went with the pressure treated cedar shakes. You could also get a tin roof on these. It's just basically up to the customer what roof goes on there.
Okay, to hook your cabin up when you get it at your property, all you need, you'll get this piece of conduit. It's supplied with the cabin. You will run this piece of conduit in the ground, run your 220 up into the breaker box, and you are ready to go.